Welcome back. This video will explain how to set up your physicians in HearForm Pro. From the HearForm home screen, let's click the second dot, and you see here the assigned physicians, assigned payers. We're going to set up our physicians so that they show up in this drop-down list of choices here. To do that, we'll click the paper pencil icon, or we could click the list view icon. Let's start right here though. And just like with the payers, this screen shows a greater amount of detail. So it's very important that we have a physician code here, and I generally recommend that you put the last name first, comma, and then the code. Now you don't have to put MD in here or anything like doctor, because this is just a lookup code. Let's go back and I'll show you what I mean. It doesn't matter to you necessarily, although you can certainly do what you want, that you have the MD or doctor right here. You're basically just kind of looking to see which doctor you're going to assign to a given patient. So the lookup code can also be generated automatically. If there's no code in there, you can click this button and it will generate the code based on last first there. By default, they're going to be active. You would put in a company if necessary. It certainly isn't necessary, and a contact, taxonomy number, tax ID. Well, this is helpful in some cases. I think area on the CMS 1500 form, area 17, can pull in the NPI number of the physician. And I was wrong. It's down here, the NPI number. This is a tax ID. Forgive me. Then you'd put in the title and the full physician name. The post-nominal might be MD, or it could be some other type of medical professional that you'd want to put in information there. The street, city, state, zip, phone number, etc. is all down here. Let's go look at that back here on the physician list. And this is the same information, but we can see a greater number of physicians. In this case, you can see at the top by the circle pie chart that there are 294 physicians in the system. You may not have that many, of course, but you could, if you want to put in every physician in your general area. You could even possibly purchase a list. So once you do that, again, you can show active physicians by clicking that button. You can mark all your physicians active. You can show inactive physicians or mark those that are showing as inactive. And then we can go back here to the payer detail area. You can also have an NPI lookup, and this will pull in a report showing you can, not a report, but rather a website where you can look up that NPI information for each physician, and that makes it a little bit easier. I won't go over that with you right now. But that's essentially how you set up your physicians in HearForm Pro.